So this is the room accommodation. This is the first room that we have. So it's good for 4 people, uh, but this one can also be transformed into bed, so 5. There's an own bathroom here. There's a sleeper. So this one, I'll open the light. And also, this is my favorite room, because you can it's a lot of light even if you don't have even if you don't own the light inside, so there's still coming in. So muna siya. So good for 4 or 5 people. And there's a door going outside. So that's what the bird that I said to you. I said that there's a lot of poop on our porch over there, because they stand by and poop. So that's the area there. So there is a sitting area outside. So if you get guests, usually they eat outside there, or having talks there. So muna siya. So muna ang gi-prepare na mga accommodation. So managsilhig, managmap, butangan pa din na butangan og toilet paper. So muna nila kuwang. So muna siya ang first room. Onya night TV. Pero i-fix pa na, we gonna fix the Netflix. Okay, I think it's not updated. And then this is the second room. So this is quite smaller, but it's already big enough, and then as I said, it's good for 2 person. But then if there's 3, then there's a couch here that can be transformed into another bed. So there's a television, and of course there's a door going outside. So Terence and I has been debating, because I put there overlooking on the ocean, and Terence said it's not overlooking on the ocean, and I said look at that, you can see the ocean over there. It just happened that the trees are growing, so you only see the small portion of the ocean. But before, when there's no trees there, then you can really see the ocean there. So that one, there's an aircon. So muna siya. Own bathroom here. So napod ni siya cabinet. There is a cabinet here, and there's a towel. So again, have a great day. So if you're in Taliban and you're looking for a place, either weekly, monthly, or daily, so message us in Facebook, Terence Martin or Elizabeth Martin, or in email terence.flannery@gmail.com. So bit by bit we could able to finish it, but for now we just do what we can. So it's not totally operated. It's not totally we're not totally opened yet, because we still have a lot to do. So, but if we got message, or we got visitor, we got friends that coming in, then we accommodate them. So we have a television there, and then I look some small portable music where you can have a video key, but only a small one. So where if you wanted to sing, then they can sing. So this one here, we got that's the paint that I ordered online. It's a bit, I think I ordered it for 1,100. I like this, so I like the ocean, I like the sunset. So as you see in there, that's the ocean. And here also there is an ocean, there's a sunset but I really like it. It's really relaxing. This one here, it needs to be put again because it was nakuan siya na natangtang. But as you can see, it's also a sunset and the ocean here. And even here, this is the third room. All the rooms are been prepared except the other one there. I'm not finished because I'm the only one that doing it. So we didn't hire somebody, so it's only me. If we get a visitor, then I'll fix the room. So this is the third one. So that it's also cleaned already. The beds is already prepared. So it's the same with the other rooms. There's a television, there's a cabinet here for your bags, and that's the one. As I said, what I ordered for the painting, for the designs are all sunset and the ocean, because I love it. It's relaxing. So all of this area here, all these 4 rooms here are there's a window going to the back porch. So that one. So we got visitor the other day. It's husband and wife from Cebu. They really enjoyed the accommodation. They really enjoyed the accommodation here. They're able to cook food. So somebody asked, can we cook food? As I said, we're still not finished on we're still gonna do an outside kitchen. I don't want here to have a cooker, because I don't feel I want it to be separated, so that one. So there's a 6 rooms here. So 4 bedrooms here. These are good for 4 person, 2 person, 2 person, 4 person. This one is good for 7 person, and the other room is also good for 7 person. So in the monthly, for the family room, we could accommodate. We could do 30,000 a month. Good for 7 person. If you're a big family, 7 or 8, 7 person. And for this one, for good for 2 in 1 month, we can accommodate. We can give you a 20,000 rent. So eventually, later on, because we're planning to, when we're able, we're gonna do the paint on the house there, because when we transferred it, it's not done. It's only a skim coat. Just a skim coat, and the paint. There's no paint inside. So no proper paint, because it's only skim coat and a small what do you call that, white paint. So it's not being it's not being cleaned up, the paint. So we will finish that eventually. So we will transfer it here in one of the bedrooms, so